So I'm Shane Covell. I run and own Smoke Garage in Brisbane Fortitude Valley. We are an event space, so we hold corporate functions, birthday parties, and a lot of weddings. We do approximately 150 to 200 weddings here a year, and we're in the heart of Fortitude Valley. Well, at the start, I was pretty skeptical on actually putting an elevator in this place, sheer by the volume of the place, but as we grew as a business, I think it was necessary that we had to put one in. Got a quote, was pretty happy with the quote. I didn't, out of my experience, I didn't know what I was getting into. But as you can see, the result speaks for itself. It's an absolute necessity in our business due to the fact that we are an event space, and doing 150 odd weddings here a year, you get a lot of the elderly that need to get up and down the stairs and they just physically can't anymore. So it wasn't a want, it was sort of a need at that period of time. What features or aspects stood out about the product the most? Probably it's how quiet the bloody thing is, because we own and operate another small goods lift, and it's a block and tackle, so it's an actual really loud product. And anytime we put any specific goods in there, it tends to be quite loud, but this is actually electric, it's run on 3-phase and it's quiet. So the way the lift has impacted our business is probably the amount of volume that we can get up to the top level. Another requirement for this building is accessibility. Yeah, I definitely recommend having a lift in a multi-level dwelling like this, especially the age of this building. At any one time, we could run multiple events, so getting accessibility to the top level has been great with staff, obviously with patrons as well. It makes it easier, and obviously you don't have to walk the stairs anymore too. It's definitely increased the bookings that we have here. A lot of corporate companies need the accessibility for staff, so it's actually increased our booking content upstairs, so it's been good. Smoke Garage is a pretty rustic venue, so it actually suits our sort of theme or our look that we were trying to create. We didn't want a modern sort of style. We wanted where it's exposed, where people actually can appreciate the mechanics and the electrics that go into this product.